Alright, so this is going to be a quick and short walkthrough of the components involved in mirroring across Cosmos DB and Fabric. I won't be demonstrating on how to set up the mirroring from ground up, or rather the focus will be on the on highlighting the artifacts involved and demonstrate how to use the console application to query the Cosmos DB mirror data through GraphQL endpoints. So, like I said, the mirror database is found under the one-link catalog and under the workspace. So this is the workspace wherein my mirror database exists. So if I scroll down, so here is my mirror database, and under the one-link catalog, here is my mirror database. So I'll just open this. So this is going to land us to a mirroring replication page wherein you can monitor the replication. Okay, at the moment the status is running and with 13 rows replicated. And then also what you can do is that you can view the source data. I mean, you don't have to juggle across between the Azure portal and the Fabric portal to check the data, and you can even query the source data. For example, if I want to query, let me select stuff from C, no, recipe container. I would give it a R dot name. Oh, sorry, this should be. So you can have your data query through this Fabric portal, and I say description. Remember, Cosmos DB SQL is case sensitive, so you have to mention your column names in the correct case. Say, for example, if I say D is in uppercase, so it won't return the data for the description column. Alright. And this is my Fabric. This is my Azure portal where my data exists. So this way you don't have to juggle across between your Fabric portal and the Azure portal to view the source data or query the source data. Okay, another thing that I mentioned in my article was that this mirror data is now exposed as a SQL analytics endpoint. So this way you have the advantage wherein you can use the SSMS to connect to the mirror data. So query. I'll just connect it to the. Okay. So here I can do like a select star from. Sorry. Select star from. How to get the correct table name. So the advantage here is that the data is exposed in terms of rows of column. But if you go back to the Cosmos DB SQL output, so here's exposed in form of JSON. So with SSMS, it's very easy to query and understand the data and to predicate and to add filters. So if I say name is equal to, if I say this, so you get an output in a rows and more readable format. Another advantage is that you can then use this uh, to join across different databases. Say, for example, if I need to join a data across a Lakehouse one, okay, some related data that exists in Lakehouse one, so I can use SSMS to create those joins and get the related data through an more readable query format, output format. Okay, and apart from this, so this is my GraphQL API. So I've already connected to the mirror data, and I will use the query to query the underlying data through GraphQL. Sorry. Uh, okay. Okay, let me get it in a notepad first. Okay, this also has to be set. This is error. Yep. You see here, I can query the data through the GraphQL API endpoints, and this is a console application. So if I run this, so I'm basically using the same GraphQL query in this console application. So this is the query that I'm using. Okay, I have to like authenticate it because of the, it needs to get the bearer token. Okay, so here it is. And if I say I'll use this and I'll go back and change it here, I'll rerun the query. Mapping, building. Okay, so it's build started. Okay, succeeded. Okay, so you have that same data exposed through. So here's the description. Here's the description. I say wait. Shuffle. Okay, all right. And once you have the data, then you can like further kind of like cleanse it out, wherein like you can deserialize the data and have it more in a readable format. Okay, so that's all for this walkthrough. I just wanted to highlight like how you can um, I mean in the sense like what are the different artifacts and components involved in the entire mirroring setup. Okay, all right. If you do have questions, please post the questions or comments in my article. Okay, thank you very much.